Alright, since many people, since short, well not really short, but seem to get more interested in my collection, I thought I'd just have a quick tour here. So let me start with my Royal 440 from 1969. As you can see, here's my Oliver number 9 from 1912. And here's my Underwood number 5, 1926. Very nice. Here's my Underwood number 2, I think, from 1909. Looked it up on the serial. Here's a 1922 Underwood as well. I have many Underwoods. Here's a Remington 12 from 1925. My camera's not the best right now. It's not the camera I used to use, but that the memory card is pretty much full right now, so I have to accept it. I hope you can see. Let me just turn the light on properly. Alright, I think this is better. You can see, and here is a, like this one I already showed you, 1922 SG1, Olympia SG1, 1959, no, 1961, pardon me. Here's a 1962 Underwood Typemaster, very nice. Here's the HH, Royal HH, you can't really see it, it doesn't work at the moment. The A hammer, the little hammer for the A has broken off. I need better light, and you can barely see it, but down there is my other Underwood. It's a 1943. Alright, here's my Classic 12, Smith Crown Classic 12. Here's a Smith Crown zipper. You will see that in another shot. Here's a Underwood number 3. You probably heard me talk about this machine so many times because let me show you why. First of all, I wish I had better light. No, anyway, you can see that the decals are really good here. Like there's minor paint loss, like down at the spacebar a bit in here, but that's all. The keys are in nice shape. Some are a bit colored, probably. It's the paint's in great shape. There was a little bit of rust in some spots. I've managed to get it off. Actually, when I bought this machine, there was like the inside was just covered in rust. And here's the color select. Anyway, I'll continue doing that later. Here's my Underwood Champion from 1944. Here's a white carriage KMM, Royal KMM, from 1938. It's the older model. As you can see, the keys here, like the round keys. The 1940s models, they come with the squared keys. This is also wide size. This one is not so good, I'm afraid. There's a nasty scratch on the top, and I have to get that fixed because for some reason it manages to have the ribbon direction of the ribbon turners scrape against the carriage for some reason, and well, it's been used so much and dropped and all that. So here's a Remington office writer, really nice. Has a cracked spacebar, bad glued, and the paint's fading, but that's all. Here's a good KMM. It's the same model as that one, only this one is in way better shape. I managed to get this one with a dust cover, only that dust cover was made by Remington, so that won't be the original. Here we come to the last two. Here is a white carriage Underwood Standard number 5 from 1925. And here's a 1953 Remington Rand. So, it's a bit of wear. It's pretty much worn. And all the others, as you can see, are packed away in the storage, and some are in my closet. So that will be it, folks. Thank you for watching.